Laundry doesn't have to be such a chore, but with a few simple tips and Truly Free Home's non-toxic products, your laundry routine will be effortless and highly effective. My first tip is to use a non-toxic laundry soap that actually works. And Truly Free Home's laundry wash does just that. It's gentle on your clothes, tough on stains, and gets them really clean. My second tip is for the brightest whites and the most colorful colors. Add Truly Free's Oxy Boost to your laundry. It helps keep your whites looking fresh without any harmful bleach, and it maintains the brightness of your colors. My third tip is a big one, and that's to stay away from synthetic fragrances. I love that Truly Free's laundry wash and softening rinse both have light, fresh, and natural scents that aren't too overpowering. Perfect if you love clean, fresh smelling clothes, but don't want to deal with harmful chemicals. Tip number 4 is to organize your laundry essentials so that they're easy to grab. No need for a Pinterest-worthy laundry room. Just keep your Truly Free products where they're easy to reach. My final tip is to pre-treat stains right away, and you'll save time later. If I see a stain, I just rub in a little Truly Free laundry wash, let it sit a few minutes, and move on with my laundry. So now that you've got the tips, it's time to simplify your laundry day with Truly Free Home's non-toxic, powerful solutions.